Hi everyone, I'm Kim from Midland County Public Libraries. In today's episode of Keep Calm and Craft On, we are going to do some craft coasters. So what you'll need today is a coaster, or a tile, I should say, cardstock. You can use anything. This is a card, or you can use scrapbook paper, whatever you would like. You'll need some Mod Podge and a paper plate, a brush, scissors, a ruler, and a pencil. Okay, so what you're going to do first is make sure that your tile is cleaned off. So if you need to take an alcohol or something like that and just kind of clean it off, that is perfectly fine. I cut my cardstock so that way I could have it to put on here. Make sure it's the right size. You might need to go a little smaller than what the actual tile is. So you're going to take your Mod Podge. I find that using a foam brush works best when doing it. And you're going to coat the entire tile with the Mod Podge. Now you don't want it to dry because then you won't be able to put your paper on there. So you do want to kind of work quickly with it. Then you take your paper and you will place it on there. Make sure it is all level and even on there. And you can take your ruler or whatever you need to and just kind of push it down. Make sure it's on there real well. And then take your Mod Podge and you are going to go over the top of it and go over to the edge so that way it's glued down on the edge as well. And then you might want to go back through once it's done and just kind of go in a one direction with your Mod Podge. So it does dry clear so you won't really see it, but if you do kind of see it, then at least you know it all went in the same direction. So it's just up to you. Some people like to go different ways. And that is it. So you'll just let it dry. Once it's dry, you can turn it over and you can put cork on the back or felt, just like this one. And if you want to use it as a coaster, I would recommend sealing it with a sealer. Otherwise, you can put it on a stand and display your lovely coaster.